Welcome to this tutorial on justifying content in PowerPoint. In this guide, you will learn how to align your text neatly to create a polished and professional look for your presentations. Begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. When you launch the application, allow it a few moments to load completely so that every feature and tool is accessible for your editing needs. If you find yourself at the start screen with several recent presentations and template options, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. After PowerPoint has fully loaded, proceed to open the presentation that requires tweaking. Whether you are working on an existing project or a new presentation, locate the file on your computer and open it directly from within the program. This step not only initiates the editing process, but also gives you a chance to verify that your project is saved in a secure location. If this is one of your first adjustments, consider using the save command to create a backup version to ensure your previous work remains intact should any changes need to be reverted. Once your presentation is open, move on to the slide where you want to justify your text. Each slide is designed with text boxes or placeholders to help you organize your content effectively. Look for the specific text or placeholder that contains the content you wish to format. When you have identified it, click directly on the area to highlight the text you plan to work with. Ensuring that all the intended content is selected is essential for maintaining consistency across your slide's layout. This careful selection process prevents any unintentional changes to other parts of the slide. With your desired text highlighted, it is time to apply the justification command. Simply press the Control key along with the letter J on your keyboard. By pressing these keys together, the selected text will be rearranged so that it sits evenly aligned across both the left and right edges of the text box. The justification feature in PowerPoint distributes the text in a visually balanced way, which is particularly useful for slides where a formal presentation of ideas is critical. The even appearance of text not only improves readability, but also lends a refined aesthetic to your presentation. This method of aligning your text using the keyboard shortcut is both quick and efficient. It eliminates the need to navigate through complicated menus or spend unnecessary time on manual adjustments. After applying the command, take a moment to review the changes. Inspect your slide to ensure that every line of text appears neatly justified and that the overall presentation retains its intended format. This final check helps you catch any discrepancies that might have occurred during the adjustment process. By following these instructions, you have now learned how to justify your content in PowerPoint effectively. This approach streamlines the process of text alignment and contributes to the overall polished look of your work. Remember, practicing these techniques will enhance your skills and make your future presentations appear well organized and professional. Enjoy the process of refining your slides and making your content visually appealing, and thank you for listening to this detailed guide on justifying content in PowerPoint.